friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to make thankful tree. First we got this leaf and we have to make leaves for thankful tree. So look at me. Okay. Wait. How would you get off? It's pretty cut. You make the leaf like this. I made so many leaves like this. G-O-D. Oh, there's my safe word go. Mom. M-O-M. Mom. Okay, D. A. D. Dad. Me. Stick it under the tree. Maybe. Here. Grandma. Baby grandpa. Hey, grandpa. Stick it to the leaf. Do. And a slip to the tree. Stick it. Food. I'm thankful for food. Now I'm going to stick leaves with glue. Baby dad. I know, baby here. Okay, food. Where is food going to be? Here. And very top. Now, house. House will go here. Teacher will be go here. Only two greens? Oh no. Grandma. Grandpa goes there and grandma goes here. Sister will go here. Baby here. Will be. Okay. I'm done. And I wrote, I am thankful for my family. What are you thankful for? Your mom or dad? Ever you like. Thank you for watching. Bye. And I'm thankful to you too.